Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Pumps. Just a quick, happy minting day by the way. Just a quick video on, in case you are getting the error on your Kasware wallet. I found out how to fix it today. So I've already fixed this one. I've created two wallets because I'm going to mint two tokens at the same time. That's as much as I'm going to do. I'm not going to create a third one right now. I'll just stick with the two wallets. But you can just create new Google accounts. You know, just create separate Google accounts and open up separate browsers, and then you can open up a Kasware wallet for each account and they'll be totally separate. So I have two separate ones here, two separate addresses. I fixed this one and I've transferred a few cash from this one over to this one. But anyway, I'll show you how to fix this connecting network. So what we have to do is we have to go down to settings here. We go to network. We go up to Kaspa mainnet, click on settings. We want to paste this one in here. And I've lost that now. 1 second. I'll get it again from here. Okay, go back. So paste. I'll paste this address in the comments so you can make it easier for you to copy and paste. So you put that in there. You hit change network URL and it changes it. And then we'll go back. And the error message should be gone. There you go. I'll just refresh this, and there's my cash balance. So I'm going to transfer some cash from this wallet to this one. I'm going to transfer half, which is 3,230. So I've already transferred some this morning and it went through grand, so I'm just going to do it again. So I'm going to copy this address and I am going to go send here. I'm going to go paste the address, the amount. So I want to do half. So let's say 2,003. Yeah, what was it? 2,330. Let's say cash. Okay, so we're going to hit next. Now I've transferred little amounts. As you can see, I did 10 cash twice to make sure it went across all right. So I just hit sign and pay. It says sent. So my balance has gone down here. If I go to this wallet here and I hit refresh, it's been moved over. So now I'm going to be able to mint from two wallets. So I can mint two tokens at the same time. If you really want it, you can do 3 at the same time, or 4. It depends on how many Google accounts you want to create. But this is how I'm going to do it. I don't want to overcomplicate it for myself. If I figure out how to do a go live stream, maybe I'll do it while I'm minting. So we can all have a chat or see how it's going. Or I might just record myself doing the minting and put it up. But I hope this helps you, in case I see a lot of questions asking about this. So hopefully this helps you. And then when we go to mint, I'm presuming we're going to go down here. We're going to click up here and we're going to go mint. We're going to search for a ticker, whichever one you want to mint. And we're going to slide the bar up here so you can mint between 1 and 1,000 Kaspa, and then you can just sit there and watch it, and it'll mint 1 Kaspa at a time. It won't do them all at once. So I reckon for 1,000, to mint 1,000, like to use 1,000 Kaspa to mint your token, it's going to take about an hour and 40 minutes, an hour and a half, something like that. And that's that. So the times, I have the times here, if I'm correct still. Kaspa is going to start minting at 10. I think it's actually I'm not sure about that one. It's either 10 or 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, which is 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. in Ireland or the UK. Kaspa is gonna start minting at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 4 p.m. Ireland and UK time. Yeah, that should be right. 4 p.m. We have Kaspa. They are not minting until Monday, so that's tomorrow, the 1st of July. And that will be at 11:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 4:21 p.m. Ireland and the UK time. Nacho is going to launch today, so they're today, Sunday the 30th. That's going at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 3:30 Ireland and the UK time. And then we have Gold. Gold is today at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 3 p.m. Ireland time, Ireland UK time. They're all the ones I'll be watching. So yeah, I hope that helped you. Good luck with your minting, and I might do another video soon on the minting. I hope it goes well for you. I'll talk to you after.